Well, I couldn't get that post nor that concrete out, so what I did was I poured a concrete footer across that. Since there's already concrete in there, it's going to be a nice base. And I'm going to go ahead and use one of these post blocks right on top of there. And I dug 2 more holes for center posts to support the frame that way, but I can't really do much, so I sanded down these posts since I was able to salvage them. Put a belt sander on them, got all the gray paint off of it. And since I got to wait for that concrete to dry for that block, I might go ahead and start tearing some of this down. I said I wasn't going to till I was done with the other deck, but I can't do anything, so I might as well start destruction. Well, I didn't get very far. Just as I got started, I got called away for another duty. So I'm going to have to leave this destruction for another day. I didn't plan on doing it this early anyway. Well, we'll continue with this later on, at a later date.